Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Welcome to your dream home. Nestled in a serene and secure gated community of Moorlands Estate is this six-bedroom executive styled home offering the perfect blend of luxury, comfort, and modern living. It sits on 0.43 acres of land with floor space of approximately 6,000 square feet. On entering, there is a grand foyer that leads to an expansive open concept living area, perfect for entertaining family and friends that creates a warm and inviting atmosphere. The gourmet kitchen is a chef's delight, equipped with high-end stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and a generous island that doubles as a breakfast bar. Adjacent to the kitchen is the elegant dining area that is ideal for hosting dinner parties or enjoying family meals. The master suite is luxurious, complete with a private ensuite bathroom featuring a soaking tub, dual vanities, and a walk-in closet. Each of the additional five bedrooms is generously sized, providing ample space for family, guests, or a home office. Step outside to your private backyard oasis, perfect for summer barbecues or relaxing evenings under the stars. The community offers fantastic amenities, including a clubhouse, swimming pool, walking trails, 24-hour security and monitoring. Schedule to view today. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 97 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.